Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy C. It's now the Certificial. Today I want to talk to you about the benefits of sitting in nature. If you know me, as a kid, we didn't have much growing up, but I grew up playing in the woods, in the creek, things like that. So, and I'm a city boy, so I did all the things that kids did in the city as well. But I had a great childhood, despite not having all the things that people would consider the nicer things. But enough with that. Got my phone, I took some notes, so I wanted to read off a few things about the benefits of sitting in nature. It says, spending time in nature, even just sitting and observing, offers numerous benefits for both mental and physical well-being, including stress reduction, improved mood, and enhanced cognitive function. Okay? A few of the mental benefits: stress reduction, improved mood, enhanced focus and concentration, increased creativity, reduced anxiety and depression, improved sleep, sense of belonging and community, increased self-esteem. Some of the physical benefits would be lower blood pressure and heart rate, boost the immune system, increased physical activity, increased vitamin D levels, increased risks of chronic diseases, and faster healing. And these are just some of the benefits. So it's important, at least for me it is, in my family. I like to bring my kids out and walk through the woods. Because like I said, me growing up and experiencing those things began my love for nature. So it's important, to get out, get some sun in your life. And as you can see, I'm a little bundled up, so it's not the warmest day out, but the sun's shining. I was blessed with the opportunity to put my feet on the ground and move my body. So yeah, this is what I like to do in my spare time. My kids at school, and I just wanted to get out and get some sun in my life, get around some trees. And if you don't believe me, if you think this is just something new, I'll insert a clip right here.
You know what I mean?
And
I ain't a tree hugger.
man,
just
this
hug
ain't
trees.
nothing new to me. This is
You know
what
what
I've
I
been
mean?
doing. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. If you're just coming back, thanks for coming back. It's your boy C, Certifit Cee PT on Instagram. Holla at your boy. Peace.
Definitely, this is bigger than me. And that's my goal, for this all to be much bigger than me.